The weather is so lovely outside. Just gonna wash my hands.
Okay.
Fuck. Nagputok. Can you tell me what you're making?
I'm gonna make a pizza. I'm gonna cook
Pizza.
the dough a little bit first.
Okay. Also, you're gonna put it in the oven first.
Yeah, before putting the toppings. I wanna try this new thing.
Okay.
That's why. I wish we have like bigger pan.
Okay. Let me grab a bigger pan.
I don't think we have those.
Square one. The rectangular one, you mean?
Oh yes, sorry.
Okay. There you go. What pizza are you making?
Homemade pizza.
So we're gonna use the pasta sauce that I made yesterday. We're not wasting any food because that's bad.
No, the baking sheet.
Here's the baking sheet. Johnny D.
The other one.
Big D.
Not there, baby. Sa baba. Remember, baking sheet yan sa baba.
Oh. Sorry. Okay.
That's too much.
That's too much.
Smaller, because this is just small. Look.
Oh, wait. Ano ko na ibabalik? Ako na. I'll figure it out. I wanna figure it out. Okay. Or smaller parte. Yeah?
Yeah.
I just wanna say I'm so impressed because you were able to estimate the size of the baking pan.
Oh.
So this is our veggies
Gonna be a thin crust.
in the oven.
Yes, please. And then maybe we'll cook it for like 10 to 15 minutes and put it out
Okay.
so that I can put the toppings in.
Okay.
I just want to try this new stuff. Everything's cooked anyway.
Dahil man yan,
Ma-overcook.
ma-overcook. Oh.
So maybe less than 10 minutes. 6 minutes. I know.
What are you trying to achieve? Like, itong crust?
Yeah.
Ah,
Because last time we cooked, I don't think I cooked it right.
okay.
And I don't want to overcook the veggies.
Right.
I still want crunch on it. So,
Okay. It'll turn out to be delicious. I'm actually excited. And I'll just film the outside because it's so nice. Perfect weather. What cheese do you like?
there's a lot of cheese that I like. That I like sharp cheese,
Sharp cheese?
I guess, yeah.
Like what?
Anything that's sharp, like strong cheese. Well,
You're not very...
I'm not well versed.
You're not well versed.
about
It's okay.
cheese,
That's okay.
but-
I'm also not well versed. Was just trying to make a conversation or something. You're so cute. Last 50 seconds. Can you smell it?
Bread.
Yeah. So we've just used a pre-made dough because
We're lazy.
just for today. We're not lazy. See what we have. Gari siya naging babe?
Flatbread.
Oh. Lap trip. Sige kung video, dahil pala naka-record. Anyway, as I was saying, we actually have names for the plants, but we forgot the names because it's too many. So we need to label the plants na. Can you tell me what are you putting in the
These
The
are
pizza?
banana peppers.
So okay, do you want me to cut onions?
Yeah, please.
Okay, I will do that. Tarong araw lang kami.
Opo.
Make it 2.
Oh, sige.
And then what?
I just want
What do you need?
the cheese.
The cheese. Do you want me to put the cheese?
I can put it. Didn't you tell me that the pasta sauce already has cheese?
I grated some cheese on it.
Okay.
Painutan na lang sa CR, babe.
We need to buy a new packet.
Yeah. Looks yum, babe.
I said I wasn't gonna put a lot, but
So now I think we can put it in the
That
oven
may-
for 10 minutes.
that may be too much.
Hmm? I don't think so.
Well, we're gonna open
Well,
the vegetables.
sa bagay.
5 minutes. would
5
be
minutes.
great. Yeah.
Right? Okay, 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah, let's do 5 minutes na, babe. Ooh, that looks yum. The cheese has already melted. Wow, can you smell that?
Yeah.
It smells so good.
It doesn't have mushroom, but it's because we
It
don't
smells so good.
because we only use whatever is in our fridge.
Let it rest first. Pamungan ta para ano. Joke time, joke time.
See,
That's
cooked.
good. Yeah, it looks like it's cooked.
This one is certainly cooked.
Yep. If we can do this. One hand. One hander. Oh, thank you. Okay.
And then the hot sauce, please.
Okay.
I didn't cut this anymore. I'm just gonna eat it.
It's okay.
Just like around it. Cheers.
Hot sauce. Naglag ka na? Okay, let's go.
Simple. So noisy when I chew.
Me too.
Cheers. I think we cooked the dough perfectly well from the last time. Compared from the last time.
Compared from the
Yeah.
So good. Ganyan ang panahon sa loob. Cheers. Nice. It's over. We've finished the whole pan. Thanks to the chef.